Detail. Out. Out.
Good afternoon. We are here today to honor the sheriff's graduates of the 124th Regional Law Enforcement Academy. Each graduate has completed well over 900 hours of intensive training in various subjects such as leadership, ethics, patrol procedures, criminal law, arrest and control tactics, physical conditioning, and emergency vehicle operations, to name just a few.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of California, that I will well and faithfully discharge the duties upon which I am about to enter.
Congratulations, Deputy Sheriffs.
Enemy arching!